In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up passkeys on WhatsApp. So open up your WhatsApp and tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings. Once you get into settings, tap on account. And you should see an option now for passkeys. Tap into this and tap into create a passkey. It's then going to give you a little info on the benefit of having these passkeys. Just hit continue and then it's going to create a passkey for my particular account, which is linked to my mobile number. So I'm going to hit continue. It's then going to ask me to enter in my screen lock, so whether I have a fingerprint set up or Face ID, and then the last thing it's going to ask you is to use your screen lock for encryption, and it'll give you a little bit more information on what this means. Tap on use screen lock. It will then ask you to confirm your screen lock, and that is it. That has created a new passkey. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.